Toys have always been an essential part of childhood, reflecting the cultural, social, and technological advancements of their times. Let's take a journey through the history of toys, from the Stone Age to modern-day innovations. In the Stone Age, toys were likely simple and made from readily available natural materials. Children played with rocks, sticks, and bones, using their imagination to create games and activities. These early toys were not only for entertainment, but also helped children develop essential skills for survival. In ancient Greece, toys were both educational and entertaining. Common toys included dolls, yo-yos, and small animal figures made from wood, clay, and terracotta. These toys were often used in religious rituals and to teach children about adult roles and responsibilities. The Romans had a variety of toys similar to those of the Greeks. Children played with dolls, balls, hoops, and board games. These toys were crafted from materials like wood, bone, and ivory. Dolls in particular were intricately made, sometimes with movable limbs and adorned with miniature clothing. During the Anglo-Saxon period, toys were simpler and more reflective of everyday life. Children played with wooden swords, spinning tops, and bone dolls. These toys were typically handmade and used natural materials like wood and bone. They provided a means for children to mimic adult activities and engage in imaginative play. The Victorian era marked a significant evolution in toy manufacturing with the rise of mass production. Toys became more elaborate and diverse, including porcelain dolls, toy soldiers, rocking horses, and board games. The emphasis was on craftsmanship, and toys were often seen as tools for moral and educational development. The middle class's growing wealth allowed for more elaborate and varied toys to be produced and enjoyed. Today's toys are a far cry from the simple playthings of the past. Modern toys include action figures, electronic gadgets, educational toys, and plush toys. Materials such as plastic, electronics, and synthetic fabrics dominate the market. Safety standards have become stringent, ensuring toys are safe for children of all ages. Additionally, the emphasis is on technology and creativity, with interactive and smart toys becoming increasingly popular. The evolution of toys reflects broader changes in society, technology, and cultural values. From the simple clay figures of ancient Greece to the interactive, tech-savvy toys of today, each era's toys offer a glimpse into the lives and times of the children who played with them. As we look to the future, it's fascinating to imagine how toys will continue to evolve, blending tradition with innovation to captivate the imaginations of generations to come. Toys have been and will always be more than just playthings. They are windows into our past and keys to our future.